Hello explorers. Today, we're traveling across the world to see amazing animals and the homes where they live. Pack your imagination, our adventure begins now. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Did you know a camel can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go? Let us find out where this amazing animal lives. We are in the desert. It's hot, dry, and sandy. Let us see who lives here. The ship of the desert. Camels can store fat in their humps and survive for days without water. Fennec fox, tiny body, giant ears to stay cool. They can dig out burrows in the sand for habitation and protection of their families. Eagle, look up. Eagles soar high in the desert skies. They have amazing eyesight and can spot prey miles away. Forest habitat. The forest is full of trees, shade, and animals big and small. Monkey, swinging and chattering in the trees. Do you know that monkeys have diverse diets ranging from fruits, insects, and complex social lives? Tiger, strong and fierce, with bright stripes. They are the largest cats, with unique patterns on their skin that are like fingerprints. They have excellent night vision and strong swimmers. Butterfly, flying gracefully from flower to flower. Butterfly have 4 wings which are brightly colored and patterned. Butterfly wings are covered in tiny scales and they are the only insects with scaly wings. Vine snakes live in Central and South America. They spend most of their lives in the trees. They have skinny bodies and grow up to 6 feet long. They're bright green, with orange tinted eyes and a pointed snout. Green vine snakes eat mostly small lizards, birds, and frogs. The polar region. We've reached the polar region, where ice and snow cover everything. Look at these creatures. Polar bear. Here comes a big, fluffy polar bear. Polar bears have thick fur and fat to keep them warm. Can you stomp like a big bear just like people? Most polar bears sleep 7 to 8 hours at a stretch and they take naps, too. Polar bears nap just about anywhere, anytime, and especially after feeding on a seal. Napping helps them conserve energy, since their entire existence centers around hunting, eating, and conserving energy. In winter, polar bears sleep in shallow pits they dig in the snow, putting their sides or backs to the wind. Penguin. Look at the penguins. They waddle on the ice and dive into freezing water to catch fish. Let us waddle like penguins together. Though they are birds, penguins have flippers instead of wings. They cannot fly and on land they waddle walking upright, though when snow conditions are right they will slide on their bellies. In the water they are expert swimmers and divers, and some species can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. The penguin's distinctive coloring black body with white belly helps camouflage the bird in the water as it searches for meals of small shrimp, fish, crabs, and squid. Ocean habitat. The ocean is home to millions of creatures. Dolphins are marine mammals which breathe air and give birth to live young. They are socially skilled, intelligent, agile, joyful, and playful creatures that share many emotional similarities with humans. While most dolphins live in the ocean, some inhabit rivers and lakes. They all have their own unique identities and characteristics. Sea turtle, ancient marine reptiles that predate dinosaurs, possess incredible navigation skills using the Earth's magnetic field, and can hold their breath for extended periods, even sleeping underwater. They also display extreme long-distance migration capabilities, returning to the same nesting beaches where they hatch to lay their own eggs. Shark. Strong, fast, and a powerful hunter, sharks are ancient, cartilaginous fish that survive in diverse marine environments, featuring adaptations like electroreception, sandpaper-like skin, and multiple rows of teeth. They have a varied life cycle, with some giving birth to live young and others laying eggs, and can even glow in the dark. Whales are fascinating warm-blooded mammals that, among other amazing traits, include the blue whale, the largest animal ever to live, with a heart the size of a car. Despite living in the ocean, whales are mammals, not fish. Whales must remember to surface and breathe, so they sleep by having only half of their brain rest at a time. Grassland savanna. Here's the grassland, warm and sunny with lots of space. Here we find several animals. 1. Lion, the mighty king of beasts. Although often associated with jungles, lions primarily live in savannas and grasslands, and interestingly, a small population of Asiatic lions exists in India. Lions are unique for being the most social big cats, living in groups called prides where lionesses do most of the hunting, a task they perform in teams for efficiency. They are powerful carnivores that primarily hunt large animals like zebras and wildebeest, but they are also able to obtain water from plants. 2. Elephant, huge, with a long, useful trunk. Elephants are fascinating, intelligent, social, and empathetic land mammals known for their enormous size, with the African elephant being the largest. They possess incredible memory, sophisticated communication abilities. 3. Zebra possess unique, fingerprint-like stripe patterns, are intelligent and social creatures, and can run at speeds up to 65 km/h. They have unique camouflage abilities, can sleep standing up, communicate non-verbally through ear position, and are surprisingly good swimmers. Zebras are also herbivores, consume a wide variety of plants, and can deliver a powerful kicking and biting defense against predators like lions. 4. Giraffe, stretching its long neck to reach the trees. Giraffes are amazing creatures known for being the world's tallest mammals, with legs longer than most humans. They have unique dark tongues that protect from sunburn and possess a heart strong enough to pump blood up their long necks. Giraffes have a short sleep requirement, often sleeping standing up in naps lasting just minutes, and they give birth while standing, a process that results in a roughly 6-foot-tall calf. Wetlands. Wetlands are muddy and full of water. Many birds and animals live here. Frog, ribbit. Hopping in the mud. Frogs can jump many times their body length, swallow with their eyes, and drink through their skin, with some species even freezing solid to survive winter or secreting toxins for defense. A group of frogs is called an army. Flamingo, balancing gracefully on one leg. Flamingos aren't naturally pink, but their diet of algae and brine shrimp provides the carotenoids that turn their feathers their signature color. They live in large social groups called flamboyances, build mud mound nests, and feed by holding their heads upside down in the water to filter food. These wading birds are known to stand on one leg, likely to conserve body heat, and their chicks are born a dull gray or white with a straight bill that gradually curves as they mature. Crocodile, strong jaws wading in the water. Powerful ambush predators with a powerful, non-killing bite, an ancient lineage, and the ability to regenerate teeth throughout their lives. They are efficient swimmers, with some species able to hold their breath for over an hour by slowing their heart rate. They also have adaptations like their eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their heads for hunting, and can even swallow stones to help them digest food. Ducks possess waterproof feathers from an oily secretion that also keeps their downy underlayer dry. They can sleep with one eye open, as they can shut down one half of their brain at a time to remain vigilant. Ducks also have unique features like regional accents, the ability to control their eyes independently, and bills with a nail that helps them dig for food. You did amazing. Animals are special, and every habitat is their home. Let us always take care of them and our planet. See you next time, explorers. Subscribe for more videos.